On the profile page, you must complete all fields with your information to unlock the Expo tab. So firstly, you can upload a profile image by clicking this button. So I will select this image and click on open. The image will be loaded and the error message disappear. You also have a field to upload company images, where you can add photos of your company process. By clicking this button, in this section you can select multiple images at once. So let me select some images here, like these three. You click on open. You can see that the message disappeared as well. In this field you must have at least one image, but you can select more if you want. And once you fill out the remaining fields and clicking the update button, your information will be saved and the Expo page will be unlocked, as you can see here. And additionally, you can now view your business card by clicking this button, which shows how other users will see your profile with all information about you here.